Eat clean diet. A good way to eat for everyone. The Eat Clean diet focuses on consuming natural, minimally processed foods that retain their nutritional value. This is a healthy way of eating that is suitable for many health goals such as weight loss, increased energy, and overall health improvement. Below are the main benefits of Eat Clean and how to implement it in detail, concisely, and easily. Benefits of the Eat Clean diet. 1. Support weight loss and maintain body shape. Eat Clean prioritizes low-calorie foods, rich in fiber and protein, helps to stay full longer, reduces cravings. Limit sugar and bad fats, helps to reduce excess fat without losing muscle. 2. Improve overall health. Natural foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants strengthen the immune system, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes. Improve intestinal health thanks to fiber from vegetables, whole grains. 3. Improve skin and hair. A diet rich in nutrients and low in sugar helps reduce acne, makes skin smooth and bright, and hair strong. Drink enough water and eat foods rich in omega-3, fish, nuts, to support plump skin. 4. Increase energy and refresh the spirit. Avoid processed foods to help stabilize blood sugar, reduce fatigue. Balanced nutrition improves mood, reduces stress. 5. Supports cardiovascular and digestive health. Reducing salt and trans fat intake helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Fiber from vegetables and grains improves digestion and prevents constipation. 6. Sustainable and easy to maintain. Eat Clean does not require extreme abstinence, is easy to apply long-term, and is suitable for many lifestyles. How to follow the Eat Clean diet. 1. Basic principles. Choose original foods. Prioritize fresh foods, minimally processed, vegetables, fruits, lean meat, fish, eggs, whole grains. Limit processed foods. Avoid canned foods, foods high in sugar, salt, trans fats, candy, fried foods, soft drinks. Eat a variety of foods. Combine many food groups to ensure adequate nutrition. Control portions. Eat just enough. Avoid overeating. Divide into 5 to 6 meals per day to maintain energy. Drink enough water. 2 to 3 liters of water per day can supplement with herbal tea or unsweetened juice. 2. Specific steps. Step 1. Choose foods. Lean protein. Chicken breast, salmon, eggs, tofu, lentils, 20 and 3 protein meal. Complex carbs. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, 1/4 plate per meal. Healthy fats. Olive oil, avocado, chia seeds, walnuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons day. Vegetables and fruits. Take up 1/2 plate per meal. Prioritize green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, low-sugar fruits, apples, berries. Limit. Refined sugar, fried foods, alcoholic beverages. Step 2. Prepare meals. Cook at home. Prioritize boiling, steaming, baking, or pan-frying with little oil to preserve nutrients. Plan your menu. Prepare a weekly menu. Shop for fresh ingredients to save time. Read food labels. When buying packaged foods, choose products with few additives and no chemical sugar. Step 3. Implement the diet. Breakfast. Oatmeal with nut milk, berries and chia seeds, or boiled eggs with whole wheat bread and avocado. Lunch. Brown rice, grilled chicken breast, green salad with olive oil. Dinner. Pan-fried salmon, baked sweet potatoes, steamed broccoli. Snack. Yogurt, a handful of almonds, or fresh fruit. Meal times. Eat every 3 to 4 hours to stabilize blood sugar. Step 4. Combine lifestyle. Exercise. Combine cardio, running, cycling, and weight training. 4 to 5 times a week to increase metabolism. Get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours per night to balance hormones and restore the body. Reduce stress. Meditation, yoga, or walking. Help reduce cortisol, support weight loss and health. 3. Some tips for success. Start slowly. If you are just starting out, make changes step by step. Each dish, replace white rice with brown rice. Reduce fried foods. Cook for yourself. Cooking for yourself helps control ingredients and calories. Be flexible. Allow yourself to enjoy your favorite dishes 1-2 times a week in moderation to avoid boredom. Track your progress. Record your menu and body changes, weight measurements, to stay motivated. Consult an expert. If necessary, consult a nutritionist for a suitable plan. 4. Important notes. Balance your nutrition. Do not completely eliminate a group of substances, such as carbs or fats, to avoid nutritional deficiencies. Be patient. Results may take 4 to 8 weeks to be visible, depending on your body and level of compliance. Personal adaptation. Adjust your diet according to your needs. Increase protein if you go to the gym. Reduce calories if you want to lose weight. Health check. If you have any medical conditions, diabetes, thyroid, consult your doctor before applying. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you and your family health and happiness.